In today's video, I'll show you how to set up WordPress quickly using local. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss simple WordPress guides. First, head over to localwp.com and download local for your operating system. Install it by following the on-screen steps. It only takes a minute. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new site. Give your site a name, then set up a username and password. Click Start Site and local will automatically set up your WordPress environment. When it's done, you'll see your new site ready to go. Just open the link provided, log in with the credentials you set, and you can start building and customizing your WordPress site safely on your computer. And that's it. Your local WordPress site is live. Try it out, experiment with plugins and themes, and enjoy stress-free development.